Hi, I'm Tony Ponikvar, CEO of Felton Brushes. Let me introduce you to our chef line of grill brushes. What makes our brush the best brush in the market? It's all about quality. Starting with the wood, sourced in the US and Canada. That's important because it results in better staple retention. Staple retention is important because it holds your bristle in place and doesn't let it come out. The second thing is the quality of the wire. Again, Canadian or American drawn wire is all that we use. Thirdly, it's the way it's constructed. So we put it together with top grade American and Italian made machinery, which is important on the formation of the staple. Why our brush lasts 4 times longer is really a result of the pull test, which is the culmination of the quality of wood, wire, and formation of the staple that we put together. For more information, visit us at cheffelton.com.